Hey there, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how you can delete your Google account. Before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so you can get notified about the further upload on this channel. Without any further delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to open up your email on your device and you need to tap on profile icon on top right corner and you will see the list of email or Gmail ID you want to delete. You can select anyone and tap on manage your Google account. Once you appear on this Google account, you need to scroll down and tap on data and privacy. Scroll down until and unless you don't see delete your account option here. Here you can see delete your Google account. Simply tap on delete your Google account and you need to tap on continue and confirm that it's really you. After you have confirmed that it's you, then wait until it's loaded. You will be guided to this delete your account page. You need to read this carefully. It's not a usual yada yada. So after you have read all this, then scroll down and here you can tick mark. Yes, I've acknowledged that I'm still responsible for any charges incurred due to any pending financial transaction and tap on yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and tap on delete account. You'll be access to this page. If you want to recover your account, then you can simply tap on recover your account. In this way, you can easily delete your Google account. Thank you.